Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and today we're just doing some random unboxing of a Hot Wheels premium box set. I didn't really have any special theme for today, but I had this box set that's been sitting here for a couple weeks, and I want to get it cracked open and parted out. So I figured I would do it here in front of you guys in case you wanted to see some of these cars up close. This is your Jay Leno's Garage Hot Wheels Premium 4-piece set. And I really just wanted that hauler, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep it after looking at it up close. It's kind of cool, but I don't know if I have anything to fit on it that would look suitable for a German hauler, car hauler. I don't have any Benzes or Porsches at the moment, so that's why I'm kind of contemplating keeping it or not. But it is a cool set. As you can see, it comes with this, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I don't know if that's, I just call it the Blue Wonder. Okay. So, anyways, it has the Jay Leno tank car also, the 2017 Ford GT and Ford Shelby GT350R. Jay Leno has some really wild and cool cars. I wish they would have come up with some better ones than this from his collection, like his Cobra. And they did the one set of years ago in the black box 100% stuff. He has that Lamborghini Miura and a couple of others that were great looking rides that would have been very cool in this box set. Would have loved to have seen a Cobra. Even the regular mainline run style would have been cool in here, done up like a premium diecast on diecast with real riders. And I wish they wouldn't have redone the tank car. That was in his set that they released a couple years back, or a year, probably was in, I think, 2022. So yeah, 2 years ago now, with the Lamborghini Countach and stuff. That was a pretty cool set, and the tank car's okay, but I think that's the one thing that kills this set, because a lot of people didn't really want that, and some did. Some loved it, some hated it. It's one of those kind of cars, love it or hate it, I guess. So anyways, let's get him out and take a look at him. I can't really spin the box around too well on camera, but you can see that Mercedes is a 1955 Mercedes-Benz. I'll try it. Blau's Wonder. So I'm wondering if that just means Blue Wonder, something like that. So I don't speak German, so I'm not sure. Jay Leno's Garage, and on the back it just shows you the cars and the side profile shot. The bottom is just all of your copyright stuff. Hundreds of words, but just copyright stuff. So that's it here. And then I've already cut the little round sticker that holds it together. So this would be the first time opening this and taking this out. I just cut the sticker to make it a little easier. So we'll get the box out of the way. I keep all the boxes and these little inserts because they're cool for some, like, shots for IG and stuff. The only bad thing is there's a lot of holes in the floor because of the rubber bands for the cars, but besides that, they're cool for doing some pics for IG or whatever you do. So you see they're held on by rubber bands. On the bottom side, it's all taped up with the rubber band, so it's just easier to kind of lift the car a little bit like that. This is how I do it. Take scissors and cut the rubber bands. Alright, so alright, so this is a pretty nice looking Ford GT, actually. The last one that I really liked is actually the Treasure Hunt one, the Super Treasure Hunt, done in, I don't know if it was like 16 or 17, something like that. Maybe even 18, but it was a good looking car. This is actually really nice looking. The black with the dark gray, like graphite wheels, the red stripes, looks really, really good. So yeah, this is a sweet looking Ford. And if I was a Ford guy, I would definitely be keeping this because it is a sweet looking piece. So yeah, just pulling these rubber bands off there. So yeah, this one I am going to put up for sale. As I said, most of, well, not most, all of them except for the Benz will be up for sale. Even the Benz may pop up here in a week or two, I'm not sure. But I'll put these on IG and on eBay. So there's the 4GT from the set. Nice looking ride. So next, let's do your Shelby Mustang. And once again, just lift it up a little bit. Not too much, because I'm a little bit afraid of bending the axles. If you pull up on it too hard, it may stress the wheels and tires, because they wrap this right around the axle. So, nice looking, what are these, 10-spoke wheels, something like that? Yeah, I would say so. The good looking car, it reminds me just of the Fast and Furious one, and this is like the total opposite of it. And not sure if it's the same casting, though. They're both newer Mustangs, but I'm not sure if the Fast and Furious and this is the same casting or not. I'm talking about the Fast and Furious that had the Alfa Romeo in it. That was, I think, 1 or 2 releases ago. So, nice looking car. Actually, pretty sweet. This is one that I wish they would have casted in the side mirrors. They do that on a lot of their cars, and this would have been one casting. If they would have done that too, it would have really made it. But still, yeah, sweet looking car. Love the white with the blue stripes. This is very nostalgic paint. Really, really great looking car. And then, well, the tank car. Alright, so this one you guys have all probably seen, if you don't have one already, from when they had the set a year or 2 back. So, pretty cool car. I heard a lot of people say what they were doing with them is buying them up and using them for wheel donors for gassers, and actually that is a pretty good idea. This is a good setup with the bigs and smalls for a gasser. The only thing I wish these were a little bit narrower in the front. I think the one that was sold in an individual package in the premium Jay Leno's garage set had the skinnies in the front, but I may be wrong. So, but besides that, yeah, it would just be a good idea to have this for like a wheel donor for a gasser custom that you're building, maybe. So, pretty cool. Different car. So now we're gonna move on to this guy, and I'm not sure how he is in there. So, because he's got like a PVC plastic around him. So we'll just cut these rubber bands on top. Okay, and then I think it's gonna be pretty easy, actually. Yeah, that was much easier than I was anticipating. So here it is. And I think they've done this car before, or this truck before, in the 100% stuff. Way back in the day. I can't recall, though, but maybe they did, maybe they didn't. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's not a bad looking ride, and it would be cool if you had something small to put on there. For example, like the 32 Ford would be a great ride to put on the back of that. Or one of these gassers of like the 62 Corvette or one of these Willys. That's the kind of car that thing's made for. Or a little Benz from the 50s or a Porsche from the 50s. This would be a really cool hauler for it. So I'm going to hang on to it just because it's unique and weird looking for a while. And then decide if I'm going to keep it or not. But the other 3 will be up on eBay and IG here in a day or so. So guys, that's it for our midweek video. I'll be back on Friday to crack something else open for our Free It Friday. So hopefully this helps you get through hump day and get through the rest of the week. And I will see you guys again on Friday. Thanks for watching.